Okay, gang, it's Saturday morning here in New Jersey, a beautiful weekend so far. And this is my latest 3D build. It's a distribution center I designed, and has doors on the front. There's windows and doors right there. There's the stairs, because this door here is elevated, so that goes underneath that door there. And if we can turn this around, let me get rid of this here piece of paper. And there's a window on the side. I just have to trim out some of the stuff. And then on the back, two more doors. And on the other side, it's just a solid wall. And so I got the, like I said, there's the windows. This is a high vac system, and these are the doors and the frames, so that goes like that, and then the door goes in there, so it has a little frame around it. So the next step is to paint it, and then I'll be back after I get it all painted. The roof, when I designed the roof, it was a little short, so I got a piece of plaque card, cut that out to size, and I'm debating on whether to put that roof that I printed on top of it, make it look like something like that. Once it's painted, it'll all blend in. But then I was thinking about putting the high vac system up on a roof, and I needed a flat roof. That one has a curved in it. I was trying to do something different this time, but I'm not sure. So we'll be back later with the painted version, and then we'll put it up on a layout. We'll see you later. Okay, gang, well, it's all together and painted. Decided not to put that other piece up on the roof. Didn't look good. I just made it flat roof, and the high vac system is up there, and the doors are all in, windows are in, got some Venetian blinds in the windows, and that window too. Little weathering on the building, the back, and on this side just a little company logo advertisement. So that's it. So I'm going to put it up on the layout, and we'll be back and show you where I put it. And that'll complete this building. Just have to put lights in it eventually. I'm going to do the lighting in the buildings after I get all the buildings up there. So we'll be back in a little while. Okay, I placed it up here, and it's going to be a distribution center, a couple trucks in there maybe. I put the parking lot in there, and there's another building that I made. That building I made. That's the welding shop I designed. All these buildings here are all what you would call scratch builds. And so that's where it's going to stay. Maybe I get one more building, put in that spot there next to the gas station. I got to set up that gas station. I think I might have to make some gas pumps because I don't have any. But I'll figure that out. But that's it. And it's going around. So that's it for today, and that's my distribution building. So we'll see how the rest of them come out, and we'll all see you in the next video, and hope everybody had a great weekend so far, and we'll see you all around. This is Tom, and everybody take care.